Hey everyone, this is Oman Sultan Valley. You can see large goods everywhere here. Today I brought 3 spear guns. I'm ready to go into the sea and have a great time. Wow, there are so many. Heavy rain. This fish weighs over 20 pounds. Good morning, everyone. According to Maida, there are big blue crabs in the location I'm at today. So before going fishing, I actually came here for some seaside foraging. Maida's friend said, there are big blue crabs here. I really can't understand. It seems like there aren't any. Maida gave me the location here. He said you can see many cracks in the rocks. You can catch big blue crabs around here. His friend came here for foraging during a low tide a few years ago. He caught 2 big ones. But today, I checked the tide, and it's during daytime. So I came over to see if I could catch any. I'll just keep it simple. Bring a pair of gloves, a bottle of water, and then let's go. The terrain in this area is quite unique. It's all like this. Like rocks. Didn't bring a stick. Now I'm going to wear gloves and dig with my hands. These holes should look like. Oh my, it's so deep. Because the hole is too deep. And I didn't bring a stick. Now I can only use this bucket handle as a substitute. Wow, so deep. Wow, there must be a big crab in there. It's too deep. So deep inside. I guarantee. According to the terrain, I estimate it goes up to this position. It's still connected inside. Forget it, I'll go to another area. There are many of these on this type of rock. Oysters. Can you eat this kind? Like abalone. I searched for a long time in this crevice terrain. All I saw were deep holes. So I thought I'd switch to the seaweed pile. Try my luck. Give me a surprise. A surprise here. Let's see what surprise we have. It doesn't seem very big. Oh, wow. So happy. It's a big mitten crab. Oops, a rock. It's a stone crab. Oh, no. This isn't what I was aiming for today. Go up. Go in. Little cuttlefish. Little cuttlefish. I just kicked it out of there with my foot. Where did the cuttlefish go? Cuttlefish are good at camouflaging themselves. It seems like it's on my hand. Oh. That's what I thought. I thought it was much bigger. It's a bit bigger. Oh, don't spray. You can watch and shout. On my lens. It's all. How do I get rid of it? Yeah. On the lens. After washing my camera and face clean, I spent a long time rummaging through the seaweed pile again. All I saw were cuttlefish and more cuttlefish. Then Maida called. He said he had a German guest who wanted to go fishing. He asked if I wanted to go. Friends, this morning's foraging. It was a complete waste. What excuse could I have to say no? So I went back and grabbed my diving gear. I quickly went to the fishing spot. The fishing spot today is a bit far. Maida also said the farther you go, the bigger the waves. So he also went into the water. Also, afraid the fish would be too big, he specifically tied a float ball on the spear gun. Then today's captain is his friend, Slam. And this German guest, KT. We arrived, and now everyone is changing clothes. I need to change clothes too. Hey, ready? Yes, give me 5. Ha ha ha. Terry. Hello, it's 113.5. Then KT is SNOG killing today. Afterwards, he got 2 spear guns this long. He told me to use one, but I can't. I'll stick with my own small one. Don't want a fish that's too big. A fish around 20 pounds is enough, okay? Everyone at the back is ready. I followed them in. Okay, we go. Wow, beautiful, beautiful. Wow, there are so many. So many. Wow. So beautiful. After I pulled the rubber band tight, I didn't expect KT to come down. But the seawater is a bit cold today. He's not wearing a wetsuit, so I don't think he'll last long. Okay, now I'm starting to dive. The visibility here is really bad. But thankfully, there are a lot of fish. As you dive deeper, you can see them. After catching this bluefish, I was planning on pulling it straight up. But this bluefish was too big. I couldn't pull it. So I quickly released the spear gun, safety first. Beautiful fish, beautiful fish. Wow. Wow. This one is probably over 20 pounds. Oh, good, thank you. This pull is so strong. It's so exciting. Haha, keep going, keep going. Right after, Maida also dove down and caught one. The poor visibility almost made me miss capturing him. Thankfully, Maida is wearing a bright wetsuit today. Maida also got one, and now he's pulling it up. This one isn't as big as mine. There are so many fish. Next time I'm coming to fish for fish. Now I've pulled the spear gun rubber band tight. Checking the spear gun's towing rope. Everything's fine, so I'm starting my second shot. After firing this time, I didn't hesitate to let go of my hands. Because this bluefish is bigger than the last one. My float ball was dragged straight into the sea by the bluefish. Dragged straight down. Woof, woof, woof. Catch me. Wow, this one is even bigger. Wow, this one is over 30 pounds. So big. Oh my. Friends, I was right. KT didn't swim for long before he changed into a wetsuit. Now everyone else is continuing to fish, and I'll go to bed for a bit. Oh. Then someone at the back caught an even bigger one, then. The fishing line. It broke. Send this. Oh, send this. Oh. These two big ones are mine. The small one was caught by regret. Let's see how big this one is. Oh my god. Taller than me. Oh. Over a meter. Wow, so big. Too big, wrong. Oh. Oh, now someone at the back got a new rope. Ha ha ha, I think it's good now. Ha ha ha, okay. Now we continue. Come, we continue, continue. I'm in, I'm in. Oh, thank you. I searched for a long time here, but I just didn't see any schools of bluefish. I guess the bluefish that Maida caught ran to tell the others. Now they're all gone. Then we switched to another spot. This place might not have bluefish schools, but at least we can catch fish. This fish is called a format sin. It's also called a 7-star snapper. For fish this size, I can pull it directly to the surface. This fish is still delicious to eat. Friends, if you see this kind of jellyfish, you have to avoid it. Otherwise, you'll get stung by its long tentacles. It will make you burn for half an hour. After catching the 7-star snapper, I immediately saw a school of fish at 5 meters deep. These fish swim slowly. It's very easy to catch them. Oh yeah, for sleeping. Bigger than a round coin. I had a great time fishing today. Good. Yeah. Friends, KT suddenly had something to do and needs to go back. So we'll catch one last fish and then wrap it up. This fish, Maida calls it a yellow GT. Sashimi made with this fish is definitely delicious. The pull is also today's #1. Look at this float ball sinking instantly. The pull strength is truly as rumored. Good size. Pale and tasteless. We were out at sea for about 2 hours. Maida spent most of the time with KT. So all the fish today were caught by me. We're here. But why is my hair like this? This KT, he seems like a guest. But he also doesn't seem like a guest. He's been helping with things. Friends, do you think it's possible that he's life is about a heart on heaven. We're back on land. Now I'm going to see which fish I should take. Eaten so many fish. Friends, what about this fish? Forget the bluefish. This one? I've had this one before. Forget it, I'll take the 7-star snapper. 7-star snapper, go. Miss good, yeah. Yeah. I'll take this one. They told me to take the big fish. It's too big, how am I going to handle it? There are only a couple of us. This one is over 30 pounds. Over 30 pounds. Okay, easy. The fish I wanted had a lot of slime on it. So I put it in Maida's back seat. But after Maida went into town, he texted me. He said when he took the fish to the market to sell, he discovered the back door was broken. It caused my fish and another smaller one to go missing. I thought he was joking. But when I went to find him, I confirmed it was true, they fell out. Maida was also worried about the fish. So he specifically called me to his house. Then he took a sea cucumber out of the refrigerator. He said it was compensation for me. Hey, this guy didn't catch any fish. I didn't even know he had sea cucumber at home. Well, I'll take it home and try it. Friends, I was too tired yesterday to prepare the sea cucumber after getting back. Now I'm making it for lunch. Let's see how the sea cucumber tastes. This sea cucumber is called a black pig sea cucumber. Maida already soaked it. So today we can eat it directly. Normally, you can clean it with a wire brush. But I don't have one. I can only use this small knife. There's still a lot of steps to cleaning the sea cucumber. The sea cucumber is clean now. It should be like this knife. No more dirt on it. I thought about it and decided to stir-fry the sea cucumber. I think other methods are too troublesome. The wind outside is too strong, so I moved the table into the shade of this tomato plant to eat. So delicious. It's a bit chewy. Then it's a bit crispy. You can feel the collagen is very abundant. This is really great. Didn't expect Maida had such delicious sea cucumber at home. I'll go check his fridge later and see if there's anything else. Friends, next time if you buy sea cucumber, remember to stir fry it. It's really delicious. It's good the fish was gone yesterday. Otherwise I wouldn't have eaten the sea cucumber. Okay, that's it for today's video. If you like my video, please give it a thumbs up. Subscribe and leave a comment. Bye bye.